unsafe emotions are, but then we became so dependent on ourselves and our self-resilience that we forget that we need others. So there's this balance. And I think, again, one of those things that there's this way that we can begin to identify the roles that we've been performing, not because we wanted to, but because we had to. And the important part of that is releasing the armor in a way that is about what's not safe, what has become unsafe, and also recognizing that you might be in a new environment and a new safety in certain areas, not every area. Also, some systems are still being navigated and we need to protect ourselves a certain way. But softness is not the opposite of strength. I know we see a lot of like soft life, luxury, this and that, but softness isn't the opposite of strength. It's the evidence that safety has been created. And that's the good thing about softness. It is a good thing. It brings this brief practice of acknowledging that we're safe, that we are allowed to be present in our heart, that we're allowed to be vulnerable about our emotions, that we don't have to be protective over everything that we feel.